Hi everyone, this is Randy with the Kindred design team, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble the Strawberry House die set. Now, the Strawberry House die set is releasing this month to pair with the new Fruit Friends stamp set. Now, I'm going to show you how to assemble the die set, and then 2 different ways to use the Strawberry House die. Here are all the pieces die cut out, and now let's work on assembling our Strawberry House. This is what the strawberry home will look like once it's been assembled. Now let's create a card using this assembled strawberry home. For my background, I have this A2 panel that I die cut out from the Card Basics die set, and I used blue ink to blend with a cloud stencil to create a clouded background. I also cut out the grass scene craft die and used brown and green inks to blend for my ground. And this is the fence that also comes with the Strawberry House die, and I die cut it out of white cardstock. Now let's work on assembling our card. Now for my sentiment, I use the I like you very much sentiment from the Fruit Friends stamp set. And I heat embossed it onto a stitched sentiment die strip that I cut out of purple. To complete our card, let's add our sweet friends. Now for the second way to use this strawberry house die set, I wanted to create a strawberry shaped card that can stand on its own. So here are the pieces that I cut out. And to create the strawberry shaped card, I took a piece of cardstock that I folded in half, and using the large die here, I put it just slightly above this folded piece, so that way when I die cut it out, it did not die cut this part out. So now I have my folded panel. So let's assemble these strawberries. Now I die cut out the window because I wanted to make sure that I could add in my sweet friend here. And so I wanted her to peek through the window. Before I add my strawberry, I'm going to sneak in the So Berry Sweet sentiment here. And here's our completed strawberry shaped card. Now in another video, I created a card to hold a gift card holder. Now I want to create another card similar that will hold this strawberry card. I die cut out an A2 panel using the largest die in the Card Basics die set, and I ink blended a background. I die cut out another A2 panel and die cut out the graphene craft die and blended it with green ink. I then heat embossed it with the sentiment and used the embossing ink pad and snowfall embossing powder. And here's the fence that's part of the Strawberry House die set. Now to create this card, to hold this card, I want to make sure that when I adhere the graphene craft piece, I only glue down the perimeter. Now we can add our strawberry shaped card into our card. Like so. Now here are the two cards that we created today. If you have any questions, comment down below or message me in the Facebook group. Happy crafting!